How to remove shortcuts in Google Drive. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will talk about removing shortcuts, which could be a little bit problematic nowadays because they did change a few things. Now it could mean two different things and I will talk about that. The one thing is going to be the preview option at the top, and the second thing is going to be the shortcuts for specific files that you actually create. So let's just go ahead and talk about it. So first, if you just go to Google Drive, we can just go from here, click on Drive, and open up the drive for us. So the first one that I was talking about is this one, which is at the top, suggested folders. Now, there used to be an option that we can actually make it so that it is removed, which was you go into settings and just click on settings, and if you scroll down you should actually find it in here. Now it is not available anymore, unfortunately, so you can't really remove them. A alternative that I actually found was if you go to the settings at the top is the start page to make it my drive. This way, whenever you actually open up the Google Drive, it's actually going to take you to the My Drive page instead, and you won't really have to see that option anymore. So if you just click on Drive, you can actually see the suggested one is gone, but it's still in the home page and you can't really remove it. So this is the first thing that we wanted to talk about, or shortcuts that we wanted to talk about. Now the second thing is going to be the actual shortcuts that we create. So let's just go ahead and create a few. Let's do it for this one. I'm just going to right click on it, click on the three dots and then click on organize, and then we want to add shortcut. And if you want to add shortcut, you would want to select a file. So in my case, I'm just going to use it or add it over here. So remember the name of the actual file. Same goes for sample PDF. I'm just going to organize it and add shortcut to this one right here. So now if we open up this folder, we should find the different shortcuts that we have. So to remove all the shortcuts in your drive, prepare for the answer is that you actually have to go and delete them one by one. There's no option out there that is going to allow you to remove all of them at once. You just have to actually remove them one by one. However, it could actually be made easy for you. So instead of going to each specific folder and removing them by just deleting them like so, instead you can just go ahead and go to My Drive or the home page. It doesn't really make a difference, and you want to click on the filter type. And as you can see, we have the shortcut type. So in this case, it's going to show us all the shortcuts that we have. And in this case, you just want to highlight all of them and delete them. So if you have 100, then good luck with that. You will need to highlight all of them and move them to trash. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.